Given the sum of the first n terms of a series is Sn equals to 1 minus 1/3 raised to power n, find an expression for the n terms. First of all, we have to know the relationship between Tn and also Sn. Let's say we have a series with T1 plus T2 plus T3. We want to find the terms from the sum of three terms. Let's start with T1 plus T2 plus T3, and then we minus the sum of first term and second terms. This is equal to the sum of first three terms minus the sum of first two terms, give us T3. Similar for T2, we use the sum of first term and second term minus the first term is equals to the sum of first two term minus the sum of first term. In general, Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. In order to find Tn, we have to find Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1 is 1 minus 1/3. We substitute n minus 1 into the power. Simplify it, we'll get 1 minus 1/3 raised to power n times 1/3 raised to power negative 1, which is equal to 1 minus 3 times 1/3 raised to power n. Therefore, Tn is equal to Sn, which is 1 minus 1/3 n minus 1 minus 3 times 1/3 n. By simplifying the right hand side, 1 minus 1. Minus times minus is 3. We have 3 times 1/3 n minus 1/3 raised to power n, which is equals to 2 times 1/3 raised to power n. Now, we already have Tn. Next, to show that the geometric series, we have to show the R is a constant, where the R is equal to Tn over Tn minus 1. Let's carry on to find Tn minus 1, which is equal to 2 times 1/3. Substitute this n as n minus 1, which is equals to 2 times 1/3 n times 1/3 power negative 1, which is equals to 6 times 1/3 raised to power n. Now, we can find the common ratio as Tn over Tn minus 1, which is equals to 2 times 1/3 raised to power n over 6 times 1/3 raised to power n. If you simplify the upper part and the lower part, we have 1/3, which is equals to a constant. Therefore, we can say the Xn is a geometric series. From there, we can find the sum to infinity, which is equal to a over 1 minus r. We already have the r as 1/3. We have to find a. How to find a? A is the first term, which is equal to S1. So a is equal to S1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 over 3 raised to power 1, which is equal to 2 over 3. Substitute into our a, we have 2 over 3 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3, which is eventually, if we simplify the upper part and lower part, it gives us 1.